Hello and welcome to the latest installment video brought to you by Picker Joe's Playhouse. Please visit us on eBay at our store Picker Joe's Playhouse for all your collectible toy needs. In today's video, we're going to be opening some Star Wars Mighty Beans. I have four blister packs of the Star Wars Mighty Beans. These packs are actually the packages that include the Clone Wars characters. They were a late addition to this series of Mighty Beans. You'll notice on the back, the package indicates that there are 60 Star Wars Mighty Beans. 60 is the number that was included in the original series. So then once they added the Clone Wars characters, those are going to be the beans that are numbered above 60. So those are a new addition. Those are the more rare ones to find that are included only in these specially marked packages. So without any further ado, we will go ahead and begin our opening. We'll start with our first pack here. This one has the Mace Windu bean. It's number 23 as the visible bean. So let's open the package and see what else we have inside here. I'll go ahead and pull Mace out first. Let you get a look at him. Front, back. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and place him directly into a plastic baggie for safekeeping. Like I always say, at Picker Joe's Playhouse, we like to preserve the condition of everything. We like to keep it as mint and near new, its original condition as possible. And this is how you receive your items when you buy from us. Each of these packages does contain 4 beans. So our next bean out of the pack is Jawa, number 29. Get a baggie ready for Jawa. If you see any of these beans that you need to complete your collection, visit us at our store. We'll be sure to add them. Comment on our YouTube channel. Let us know. Okay, this is Anakin Skywalker. This is actually number 61 Anakin. Let's see. So this is one of the Clone Wars series editions. This is one of the more rare characters. This is Anakin probably at the beginning of his career, switching over to the dark side as he's preparing for his transformation into Darth Vader. Alright, and our last character in this pack, Anakin Skywalker, number 33. So that's a somewhat younger Anakin. And now we'll move on to our next pack. Okay, we will begin again, of course, with the visible bean, which is Admiral Ackbar, number 16. Okay, we're going to lay him over to the side just to save a little bit of time, and I'll put him into his baggie as soon as we complete filming of the video. Okay. Ooh, the Zombie Geonosian, number 73. So this is one of our rare Clone Wars characters. Nice. We've got the Cantina Musician, number 36. And lastly, in our second pack, is number 6, Obi-Wan Kenobi. Okay, pack number 3. And besides the Star Wars, we do carry lots of the Mighty Beans in our eBay store, Picker Joe's Playhouse. I believe we've currently got some 2010 Series 1, 2, and 3 available, including some of the Mega Beans. This is number 20, Greedo. He was the visible bean in our third pack. And if you'd like to visit our eBay store, Picker Joe's Playhouse, you can find the link on our YouTube channel. It'll take you directly there so you can browse our merchandise, see our inventory. Okay, this is number 46, Max Rebo. This is definitely a new bean for us at the Playhouse. We've never had this one. And he's number 46, so he is from the original series. We've never gotten him before, so that's awesome. Very excited. Okay, this is another new bean for us at Picker Joe's Playhouse, number 54, Kit Fisto. Also one of the original series of beans, but again, one that we have never had. Never had this one in stock in our inventory. Excellent. And then finally, again, we've got number 61, Anakin Skywalker, as our rare Clone Wars character bean. So that's a duplicate. That's 2 of Anakin that we got today. And finally, our fourth pack. The visible bean is number 10, the Battle Droid. Lay him off to the side to await his baggie. Let's see, we've got Anakin Skywalker number 22. This is young Anakin. Comment on our YouTube channel. Let us know which of the Star Wars characters is your favorite. Which of the movies do you like better? Okay, this is number 69, Asajj Ventress. One of the rare Clone Wars characters. Very popular bean that always does well in the store. Glad to see we've gotten another Asajj Ventress. And our last bean today. Alright, my favorite character from the Star Wars saga, number 52, Jar Jar Binks. And I have never actually had this bean yet, so this is very exciting. We did really, really well today. There's Jar Jar. So if you're looking for any of these beans that you see that we opened here, these will all be available in our eBay store, Picker Joe's Playhouse. And now, before we wrap up our Star Wars Mighty Beans video, I do have just one more item that we're going to go ahead and open today. This is the Star Wars Mighty Beans Darth Vader lightsaber flip track. This is the flip track that includes the exclusive Luke Skywalker bean. He's number 90. They also sell this flip track with a Darth Sidious bean. I believe it's number 89. So, for those of you who may have already purchased the Darth Sidious lightsaber and have that bean, and just need this bean to complete your collection, we are going to go ahead and open this, let you take a look at the Luke bean, and we're going to sell him individually in our store as well, and we'll probably sell just the loose lightsaber for anyone who maybe wants an extra flip track. So this is Luke Skywalker number 90. Let's see. Luke looks like he's missing part of his arm over here. He's also, looks like got a black eye. So Luke, a little worse for wear here. Looks like he's coming out of a battle. So that's the Luke Skywalker number 90 bean. Alrighty. And then, of course, there also was the flip track, which, like any Mighty Beans flip track, you just open it up, place the bean inside, and there goes Luke. So, we'll get these added into our eBay store. Again, that's Picker Joe's Playhouse. You can find the link on our YouTube channel. Please comment, like us, and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.